Hi everybody, it's Mr. Lou. This is page 69. Put on your thinking cap. Challenging practice. Fill in the blanks in each number sentence. Use the numbers in the box. 1. The difference between two numbers is 42. And again, when I want to find the difference between a number, I know I need to subtract. So they lay out the problem for you right now. So the difference between two numbers over here is 42. So the first thing that I can do, I can write 42 as my answer because they tell me that the difference between numbers is 42, which means 42 is my answer. And now I have to figure out which two numbers, when I subtract, gets me close to 42. Alright, so we're going to do a little guess and check. I'm going to pick, let's see, 68 and 42. We'll do these first two numbers first. And all I have to do is, I want to first subtract these two numbers. I'm going to do that right over here. Line them up and down. 68 subtracted by 42. And I'm going to do a simple subtraction. 8 minus 2. Well, that's 6. I can actually stop over here because my ones place is a 6 and I need my ones place to be a 2. So I know it's not 68 and 42, so I'll pick something else. Let's do 68 and 26. So I'll do it again. 68 minus 26. Here we go. 8 minus 6. Well, that's a 2. And I can keep going now because I know my ones place should be a 2, which is a 2 over here. And then 6 minus 2, well, that's a 4. And I got 42. So I know my two numbers over here is 68 and 26. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, the difference between two numbers is 280. Again, take the same process. We are again looking for the difference. I'm going to highlight this word, difference, which we know is to subtract. And we know the answer is 280, so let's just automatically put 280 right there. Okay, so again, pick two numbers. Try to get to 280. If you want to make this quicker, try to estimate and do mental math and try to get something close to 280. And I'll give you an example. I'm not going to pick 196 minus 129 because that's close to 200, that's close to 100. 200 minus 100 is 100, and that's not close to 280 at all. So again, try to use mental math and get started, and we'll talk about 3 and 4 right now. 3 and 4 is just fill in the missing numbers. Again, the easiest way to do 3 and 4 is to just subtract it normally and try to subtract it without a problem, and you should be able to figure out these missing numbers. Okay, so do number 2, 3, and 4. It might be a little bit hard for you, but I think you guys can do it. Okay, get started.